A pendulum swings through an angle of 9 degrees and its end describes an arc of length 14 point. What does it mean? A pendulum swings through an angle of 9 degrees. So let this angle be 9 degrees for a pendulum. Yes or no? This makes this entire angle is 9 degrees. And its end describes an arc of length. This length is how much? 14.3. So that makes it 9 by 360, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 14.3. Yes or no? That is what we have. What do we need to find here? The radius? Yes or no? So 1 upon, this becomes 1 upon 40 into 2 into 22 upon 7. What this is into radius 14.3 centimeters. We cancel this becomes 20. 11, this becomes 2. 11 would make it 1.3. Yes or no? 11.3. So we cancel this becomes 10. 13 into 7 would make it how much? 91 centimeters. That's my answer.